this video, we will tell you how to make your life easier by multitasking. A messy closet is enough to drive anyone crazy. Here's an invention that will help you arrange everything on the shelves. Cut out a rectangle from a piece of cardboard. Fasten it to a large piece of wide tape. You should get a moving part like this. Lay a t-shirt out on the cardboard face down. Tuck the sides of the t-shirt one by one. Bend the bottom upwards. Turn it over, and you're done! Lay out the folded t-shirts in even piles. Keeping your shelves tidy is easy. When you're holding a whole pile of magazines and books, it's not easy to look through a catalog. Everything slips and falls on the floor. For this life hack, you need a tray and a belt. Hot glue the ribbon to the tray. Hang the tray under the chair seat, securing the tape crosswise. The result is a roomy tray for reading materials. Free up your hands by putting the books in the organizer. It's very convenient, and your books are always nearby. Throwing away trash takes 5 minutes, but there is one issue. You need to replace the garbage bag with a new one as soon as you remove it. Well, who needs this extra work? I guess I'll just go bring the roll of trash bags. Unroll one bag. Although, why take just one? Get some more bags. Put them in the trash can, one after the other. Now that the top bag is full, take it out of the trash can. And you don't need to run to get a new one. There are a few more in the trash can. The creative process is unpredictable. Even an awkward sweep of a brush can stain the worktop. To prevent this from happening to you, use Saran wrap. Unwind the roll to cover the table with wrap. Done! Welcome to the world of free creativity! Now you can draw without prohibitions and restrictions. And you can simply remove the wrap covered in paint from the table. There's not a speck on the surface. Beautiful! Time to make pancakes! But spray from the mixer can destroy your desire to cook. Yeah, cooking is not for the faint of heart. For this life hack, you will need a paper plate and scissors. Make a cut from the edge to the middle. Insert the mixer whisk into it. This invention protects your clothes and the table from stains. And all the droplets of batter will stay on the plate. The friends decided to spend the evening watching their favorite YouTube channel. You can't watch videos without a bowl of snacks. But the girls can't decide who will hold the plate. Okay, let's put it on the keyboard. But now we can't see the screen. No matter how you move the plate, the view does not change. Let's try a life hack with a colander. Put a bowl of chips in it. Secure the colander, pressing the handle down with the laptop. A hanging plate for snacks will make the evening even tastier and more interesting. Do you want some tea, but the cup is too hot? Ouch! It's burning my fingers! For this life hack, you need a wide hairband. Put it on the cup. This fabric case will help you enjoy a drink and not have to wait until the tea has cooled. Cooking pasta? That's child's play. Pour the pasta into boiling water. Stir and cover with a lid. It was that easy? Nope! Foam starts to come out from under the lid. It seems like your dinner is preparing a daring escape, but your friend, as always, appears just in time. With a quick hand movement, she switches the glass lid with a metal colander. That's it! The excess steam goes through the holes and your pasta won't run away. You'd better not show your nylon socks to people around you. That looks worse than sandals with socks. Here's how you can wear your socks to keep from shocking your friends. Put on a nylon sock, stretch it a bit, and turn it inside out. Holding the sock on your toes, pull the sock under the foot, twist it, and attach it on the heel. Comfortable mini socks are ready. They are completely invisible inside your shoes. You'll look like you're barefoot. Do you still eat corn by biting into the cob? And it's great until parts of the cob get stuck between your teeth. Not the most pleasant feeling. It's good that your friend has a life hack. Take boiled corn and a wooden skewer. String the grains on the skewer and separate them from the cob. The result is a corn kebab like this. Your friend can barely wait to try it. Making this was so easy and much more convenient and tidy. I hate it when my hands are full and I can't be on my phone. But I wanted to listen to music on the way. What should I do? If you don't have deep pockets or a phone holder, use this simple trick. Put your phone on your hat. You just need to insert the phone into the hole that adjusts the size of the hat. Your hands are full of bags and you can listen to all your favorite songs. Isn't it great? When it's this hot, regular water won't help you. A friend quickly solves this problem with ice. Ice cubes form condensation on the glass, so you'll need a napkin. But problems are everywhere. The wet bottom of the glass sticks tightly to a paper napkin, and this time, ordinary salt comes to the rescue. Sprinkle the napkin with salt and then put the glass of cold water on it. The napkin won't stick anymore, and you can just enjoy your cool water and fun conversation. Summer is the time for sandals and street dust, which means you're going to end up with some dirty feet. For this life hack, you need old rubber flip-flops. Move the regulator into the widest position. Take a bright piece of microfiber. Glue it to the tops of the flip-flops. Use a hot glue gun. Now take 2 brushes. Fasten them to the flip-flops with hot glue. Stick soap dishes with suction cups to the sole. Do the same with the second shoe. Fasten the flip-flops to the bath. Put your feet in the flip-flops and rub your heels. Wash them off. Voila! Your heels are clean and pink again. My friend and I have such different tastes. At least we always have spices if we want to use them. Only the pepper does not want to get out of the jar. Are the holes clogged? Here's a simple but effective life hack. To make the spices pour out evenly through the holes, take a jar of salt. Rub their bottoms in a circle. The salad gets some new flavors right before your eyes. This is so much better. Thanks! Do you like cappuccinos but don't know how to make foam without a coffee machine? Yeah, whipping cream with a hand whisk is not easy. But we have one idea. You need a half-liter plastic bottle. Pour the cream into it. Close the cap tightly. Shake the bottle like a cocktail shaker. Try to add the cream to your coffee. A beautiful foam cap decorates your cup. Look how fluffy it is. Taste it. Mmm, delicious! And for the next life hack, you will need scissors and garbage bags. Cut the bags into strips. Fold the strip in half and twist a strand of hair on it. Tie it. Tie each next strand slightly lower than the previous one. Once you do it on your whole head, go to bed. The knots made out of bags are very comfortable. You can sleep with them in. In the morning, remove the bags from your hair and get elegant curls. To make the styling look careless and natural, separate the strands with your hands. It looks very beautiful. Music takes up most of our lives, but sooner or later, dust, earwax, and grease start to ruin your headphones. Ask your friend to test the sound. Her verdict is that your headphones need to be cleaned, but your fingernails aren't enough. You need something more serious. You can use a toothbrush. Clean the filter mesh with the bristles. Don't use any water or soap. Dry clean only. Check them out. It's like a surround sound system. You can put on your favorite track. I slept through my alarm. Today, I'll go to bed early. Oh no, I also wanted to wash my hair. No, I definitely will not have time for anything. For this life hack, you need a mirror and a cosmetic clay for a face mask. Apply the clay on your hair part. Rub it into your roots with your fingers. Separate another part of the hair and process the next part. Brush your hair and you're done. In a few minutes, your hair seems cleaner than before. The clay removes oily shine and gives your hair some volume. You might even make it on time. Did you like our life hacks? Which one surprised you the most? Like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to watch even more useful ideas on Troom Select.